Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. So today on Life with Leah, we're going to go into a little beauty declassified episode and we're going to be talking about ingrown hairs. Literally like the worst thing ever, getting ingrowns. Especially like with summer, bikini season, and you getting a little, not so good. So personally, I'm a person that waxes everything, so ingrown hairs have been a really big issue for me. So before we go into remedies for ingrown hairs, let's go ahead and jump into what ingrown hair actually is. So when you're getting an ingrown hair, it's basically because your skin is too thick, I guess is a way to put it. Either your skin's too thick or the hair is just not strong enough to be able to poke through the skin. So for example, with waxing, when you're getting ingrown hair, it's because whenever you wax, you pull out the hair by the root and you're damaging that hair follicle a little bit. So with all of that damage, eventually it makes it so that the hair is just not strong enough to be able to poke up through the skin. So instead of being able to come up through the skin, it goes in and it stays under the skin, and that's where you get those red, nasty bumps. So one of the easiest ways to deal with this is by exfoliating. When you exfoliate the skin, you thin it out a little bit, and you take off that top layer of skin so the hair is then more easily able to pop up through the surface and do what it's supposed to do. So some of my best ways of exfoliating, my number one absolute favorite way of exfoliating are gloves. So this is one of them. So just little exfoliating gloves. So you just pop it on when you're in the shower and you just scrub and you just get a nice little exfoliation going. Absolutely wonderful. They work so good, extremely affordable, and it's just one of the best options for exfoliating. I absolutely love this. You're not using any excess products on your skin. You're just able to exfoliate in a natural, gentle way. So if you've got gentle skin, it's totally up to you on how hard you exfoliate, how hard you go, and all of that good stuff. So it's really easy to customize what you need for your skin. So absolutely love that. But then when you get more onto the product side, some of the other things that you can use to exfoliate are acids. So the acids help to kind of thin out that top layer of skin by just exfoliating the top layer a little bit more. So some of the common ones used are going to be glycolic or salicylic acid. So both of these are commonly used in skincare, and they do help to kind of take off that top layer of skin. You do want something very gentle because post-waxed or post-shaved skin has already been exfoliated, right? So whenever you wax, you're taking off that top layer of skin with you, and the same with shaving. Whenever you shave, you're dragging that razor across the skin, you're taking off that top layer of skin cells as well. So when you're using products after doing something that's already exfoliated your skin, you just need to make sure that they're nice and gentle and that they're actually meant for what you're using them for. One of my favorite products that was a life changer for me when it came to ingrowns is actually this Vanish PFB. Let's see if you can see it. There we go. So Vanish PFB. This stuff, it's in a little roll-on. I don't know if you can see. Yeah. So you got a little roll-on, like roll-on deodorant. So you just take it, roll it on, and it puts the serum into your skin. The one thing with this is it does burn, which is because it does have alcohol in it, which isn't our favorite, but I mean, the product works. So, so it definitely does burn, especially right after a wax. Oh my, baby, it gets you. But it keeps the ingrown hairs away. So I absolutely love this guy. Don't like how it feels, but love what it does. That's just the Vanish PFB. So that stuff's absolutely amazing. From a licensed esthetician standpoint, like those two things, especially combined together, like you won't have to deal with ingrown hairs. Ingrown hair is just a thing of the past. And so those are going to work whether you're shaving or whether you're waxing and all over your body. So a lot of people will get it like armpits, you've got your genital region, even your legs. I know thighs were a common thing for me whenever I wax my legs. The back of my thighs get crazy ingrown hairs. And it's just because the hair is not strong enough to be able to poke through the skin. So it's really nice that I have just these easy products that I can just use in the shower right after I get out of the shower, and it just kind of helps and alleviates all of that. Nobody wants ingrown hair, like, just no. So those are my top 2 things. You can also use, if you don't want to go out and buy something, you could totally just make a sugar scrub at home. Just take a little bit of white sugar, brown sugar, whatever you have, mix it with a little bit of oil, and then just make it into a nice little paste. Use that in the shower. It's going to hydrate your skin, and it's going to help take off that top layer of skin as well. So when you want to prevent ingrown hairs, it's all about exfoliate, exfoliate, exfoliate. Always exfoliate, my friends. Alrighty, well, those are my top 3 tips for ingrown hairs. I hope this helped you. I'll have links below in the description box if you want to go ahead and go and get that guy. Absolutely amazing. And like, come on, Amazon 2-day delivery, like, yeah. I'm about it. So anyway, so like this video, subscribe, comment down below if you have something else you want me to talk about, all of the good stuff that you know what to do. But yeah, so thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye! So thanks y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye!